Ever wondered why some people are always more happier than others? The reason is they have tapped into the power of CUB. CUB. What does that stand for? It's count your blessings. You must be wondering how such a simple thing can give you happiness, which has been your pursuit of life. Let's understand a blessing is something that we desire, we crave for, we pray, and it can be like a raise in salary, a promotion, a partner of your choice, good health, and dream vacation, and so on. But what happens when you actually achieve this and you start using it, taking it for granted, right? And that keeps longing for more happiness, and it is just creating an unending quest. The desire for more can actually blind us for what we already have. And it is possible to look for good in any situation, to enhance our mood, to foster closeness, and to count our blessings. But what we need to do is to create a deliberate intent for it. It is very easy to say nothing is going right in my life. But instead of taking time to ponder on and savor the positives that are going around. So, how can we actually inculcate the power of cup? Let's see. Step one: every night before sleeping, write 5 things that you are grateful for. It just takes few minutes every day, but it builds a habit of gratitude. It helps you sleep peacefully and wake up with joy. Step 2: keep it creative. Don't write monotonous every day, I'm thankful for my job, for my family, my house, etc. Be creative. Use things that add value to it. For example, I am grateful for my job because it adds value to my life in different ways, and write those ways down. Step 3: maintain a journal. When you have a journal, when you write it down, it is documented and you can look back at it anytime you wish. Or if you are a digital person who's always on the gadgets, I will put a link of app in the comments. Step 4: make it a daily habit. Express thanks when someone helps you. Express gratitude when the food comes in front of you. And be thankful for a new day. These habits will make it gratitude as a part of your life. Now, gratitude opens your eyes to the limitless potential the universe offers, and dissatisfaction closes it, right? So be thankful and stay happy.